I'm Akshat, and today our group is going to give a presentation on generate and test algorithm. So the team members are Vamshavardhan, Srinidhi, Nehal, Jayasuk, and Pavan. So starting off, what is generate and test algorithm? So basically, generate and test algorithm is an uninformed search algorithm in which heuristic values are used. Generate and test algorithm is basically a bit similar to DFS with backtracking. The similarities between them are that DFS with backtracking and generate and test algorithm both generate the solutions and then search for the optimal solutions, as well as eliminating the low priority solutions. But the difference between them is that DFS with backtracking is more structured as compared to generate and test algorithm. So, generate has three steps: generation, testing, and then repetition. The algorithm will be explained to you in detail by my teammate Neil.
Generate and test algorithm. It is a very simple algorithm that guarantees to find a solution in an organized way. It is a search technique based on the depth first search with backtracking, and it is also known as the British Museum search algorithm, as it's like looking or finding an object in the British Museum by wandering randomly. So let's see how does this algorithm work. First, it generates all the possible solutions, and it selects one solution from the possible solution, and if the solution has been acceptable, it quits, or else otherwise it returns to step one and it repeats the process.
See the example for the generate and test algorithm. Now first we can take an example of postman delivery. Like postman delivery have to deliver the like post in the four cities like A, B, C and D, like four cities. And next to, according to the algorithm, like it will be like we have to generate the possible solutions. Like we have to go from the post office to like post to home, like home, like where you have to deliver the post. And next we have like you can say that we have to generate the solution, like which route will be the shortest distance to take the delivery and distance. Like we have the four cities like A, B, C, D, and the like we can take A is the starting position or the node, and the C will be the C or D. Like C, we can take the C as a goal node or the final state which can be reached. The post should be reached. Next slide. Now we can see the postman. Postman has four cities like A, B, C, D. He has four cities. He will start from the A. Like we will take the example as A, and he will from the A he have a three routes like to A to B, A to C, A to D. He have a three routes. Every city has a three routes. From B also he have a three routes to B to A, B to C, B to D. He have a three routes. Now for the C also same routes. We can now for the example we are taking for the only city A. He has a three routes. Like he can go to A to B, A to C, A to D. Backslide. Postman delivery starting from the city A. He has three routes for the final state. Final state is C. Now we have to go from the A to C. Like what is the distance? Like we can say that from the A to B and C B to C. He has a one route, and we have to first according to the algorithm we have to generate all the possible solutions. Like what are the routes to reach the final state? Now it from the A he has the three routes to reach the final states like A to B, C, and A to D, C, and A to C direct, as it has a shorter distance. Like we can take from A to B 6 and B to C 3, total 9 path distances, means length to reach the final state is 9, and A to C 1 distance 1, and A to D, D to C, total 5 plus 4 9. Now total distance will be 9. Now we can see from we can compare that which will be the distance shortest distance, like A to C direct A1 only.
Now I'm here to tell about generate and test advantages. First, generate and test approach is very straightforward to implement, and it can generate number of solutions. By that we can increase our creativity and we will get unexpected results. And by generating the multiple solutions, we will reduce the risk of converting into the suboptimal solutions. And by multiple solutions, we can gradually increase the number of solutions by this approach and test cycle.
the advantages, we'll see about the others other side of it. So first thing is that AI has become expensive, and for using it, we need a lot of amount of money for its usage. And second thing is that it is very low efficient, and the efficiency rate is very less for few problems like vast searching space things and all that. And one more point is that we are having an effective effectiveness rate is very less, and we are not sure about the solution, whether it's the best one among all or not. And next is that surety is also not accurate, and we are unable to say that whether it can show a best solution out of everything which is available or not.
Hi everyone, I am Srinidhi. I am here to tell about applications of test and generate algorithm. One of its application is pathfinding. It is useful to discover the shortest distance from start point to destination at point of coordinates, and it is also used for optimization to solve the problem of optimal distribution of resources to achieve the maximum result. Also, it is also used for game planning, playing the agencies of AI with some board games like chess, give guidance and make strategy-based decisions to agents. The test and generate algorithm is also used in robotics, like scheduling robot location and their movements and perform tasks with high efficiency. The last one is the natural language processing. Language processing task involving search algorithms such as parsing or semantic analysis. Thank you.
So, as we saw just now, the generate and test algorithm is really valuable as it generates all the possible solutions and then gives you the best or the optimal solution. And it can be really valuable and used in various cases. Now, it has some disadvantages or drawbacks as it is a bit inefficient sometimes because you cannot use it for large working spaces, and you're not confirmed to get the best solution when searching with this algorithm. But then, despite these drawbacks, the generate and test algorithm can prove to be a really good search algorithm with sophisticated techniques.